I'm so good at math. Whoa, that math is awesome. Yeah, it is. Oh, well, I need help with math. Can you help me? No, I do math on my own. What? No. I want to have fun too and do my math too because I don't know how to do math and it's so hard.
Yeah,
Go away.
Piggy.
Go. I'm going. Piggy is better in math than me. Just eat better than math, and it's not fair. Well, he's like the best in the world at math. Let's get but he is mean to me, and he doesn't help me with math too.
What is going on here? Guys, what are you doing? Were you talking about me being mean? You're lying.
I'm going to beat you up now.
No, do not call the principal!
And I'm going to also beat you up. Yeah, we're teaming up.
You get a humongous pizza because you are so good at math, Piggy. Yay! You guys have to do this math paper all together, okay? Okay? Because... What? Excuse me, Piggy? Why? Piggy, you're just a team and you're doing this together. I don't care if you don't like your team. Just give a big smile. Okay, that is it. And in the trash. Why would you do that? You're not supposed to cover the paper and do all that. No. Sorry, Mr. Teacher.
Piggy, why did you throw his homework in the trash? Why?
That was a paper cat and
Oh, it was your homework. Pete, why did you throw Piggy's homework in the trash? I mean, schoolwork in the trash.
He is mean and he calls me names and he says he's better at math than me.
That wasn't very nice to say. That's it.
No.
You're going to the principal's office.
Oh no. Hair, so bad. Okay. Now, I'm gonna give you a warning. If you come back to the principal's office again, then I'm calling your parents. And they'll be very mad at you. Okay, Mr. Olaf. Okay? I'll see you later.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below what do you think of this video. But we are going to do a part 2 of this video. So if we get 30 likes and 2 subscribers, we will do a part 2 of that. And we'll see you later.